to my project presentation for the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at İmri Katip Çelebi University. My name is Burak Koşar, and today I am proud to present my project titled FACTS, which stands for Faculty Asset Condition Tracker. FACT is an integrated Internet of Things framework designed specifically for real-time asset condition monitoring, predictive maintenance, and 3D digital twin. To understand the value of this project, we must first look at the ongoing paradigm shift in industrial maintenance. Traditionally, facilities have relied on two flawed approaches. First is reactive maintenance, where repairs are performed only after the machine undergoes a catastrophic failure. Second is scheduled maintenance, where operational parts are replaced at set intervals regardless of their actual physical health. Both traditional methods ultimately results in unexpected operational downtime, high financial costs, and raw telemetry that's noisy and unreadable. FACT transitions us into condition-based monitoring. By leveraging continuous machine-to-machine communication, the system provides real-time mechanical stress and thermal visualization. This optimized approach always allows operators to accurately predict asset lifespans and schedule maintenance proactively. However, the core technical challenge we must solve is that raw physical sensor data is inherently noisy and difficult for humans to interpret, requiring rigorous algorithmic filtering before visualization. To solve this challenge, the FACT framework is engineered around a robust three-layer systems architecture. Layer 1 is the edge layer, consisting of custom-built ESP32 hardware sensor nodes that capture continuous environmental and mechanical telemetry using Platform IA framework. Layer 2 is the control layer, where a dedicated C-sharp WPF software application applies exponential moving averages to filter incoming data and execute ML.NET algorithms for automated anomaly detection. Layer 3 is the visualization layer, utilizing a Unity 3D digital twin to render physical machinery stress in real time to provide immediate operator institution. All three layers communicate securely and dynamically by exchanging JSON payloads through a centralized MQTT broker. Let's examine the hardware metrics deployed at the edge layer. We developed two independent microcontroller nodes running on ESP32 boards. Node A, deployed on machine 1, is equipped with high precision SHD30 environmental sensor to track temperature and humidity, alongside an MPU 6050 multi-axis accelerometer to measure mechanical vibration. Node B, deployed on machine 2, utilizes a BME 680 sensor to monitor temperature, humidity, coupled with an MMA 8491Q accelerometer for specialized vibration analysis. Both nodes successfully maintain continuous low latency data publishing over the local network. Moving up to the control layer, we have WPF diagnostic dashboards. This custom desktop interface subscribes direct to the incoming MQTT telemetry stream. It integrates the LiveChart core library using the Skia Sharp rendering to plot zero latency telemetry trends. The software continuously computes a dynamic health score, a quantifiable metric from 0 to 100 based on the real-time hardware status. Furthermore, it incorporates a predictive engine to automatically estimate the remaining useful life, displaying the exact operational hours remaining before critical machine failures is expected. Because raw telemetry from vibrating industrial machines is highly volatile, direct analysis often leads to errors. To address this, the dashboard applies an essential signal processing step using an exponential moving averages or EMA. EMA actively filters out transient noise and smooths out temporary sensor fluctuations. This pre-processing step is vital because it ensures our machine learning models analyze genuine, sustained operational shifts rather than triggering false positive alerts from temporary physical bumps or minor environmental interference. With clean, smooth data secured, the ML.NET interference engine executes machine learning models directly on live data streams to detect automated anomalies. We utilize two contemporary detection algorithms. One is spike detection. Evaluates the stream for sudden abnormal peaks in vibration or temperature. This serves as an immediate indicator of acute physical impact or electrical short circuit. Change point detection identifies sustained fundamental shifts in the machinery operational baseline. This alerts us to long-term degradation, such as bearing mechanical bearings or permanent thermal damage. The final component of our framework is the visualization layer, which hosts the 3D digital twin built natively in Unity. Using the M2 MQTT library, the Unity environment subscribes to the exact same JSON telemetry stream feeding the WPF dashboard. Custom C# scripts parse the incoming payloads in real time, mapping numerical data to the physical properties of our 3D objects. This creates zero latency visual representation of mechanical stress. For example, excessive accelerometer metrics automatically trigger visible shaking animations on the virtual models, while temperature spikes dynamically trigger bright visual overheating warnings. A unique strength of Fact architecture is dedicated synergy between its software layers linked securely by MQTT protocol backbone. Both layers serve distinct critical roles. The WPF dashboard provides rigorous mathematical analysis. It handles complex ML.NET interference logging, continuous health format, and historical data tracking. It is fundamentally built for the engineer. The 3D digital twin provides complete situational awareness. It bridges the gap between raw numbers and human intuition, allowing the operator to assess machine status instantly with zero cognitive load required. It is fundamentally built for the operator. Ultimately, data analytics predict the failure while the digital twin visualizes the reality, forming a complete condition monitoring ecosystem.